Our lesson 2 human system is in progress and our second system respiratory system is going on. In that respiratory system we have already taken the 2 classes, and in those 2 classes I have told you about the importance of respiration, about the introduction of the respiration, and about the parts of the respiratory system. And whatever we have studied till now, that we have discussed, that we are going to take in quick revision, and that is what you mean by respiration, that I have told you, and after that I have told you the parts of the respiratory system. That has been divided into the 3 parts. Number 1, upper respiratory system, second one lower respiratory system, and third one is respiratory muscles. In upper respiratory system we have taken mouth, we have taken neck, we have taken larynx, pharynx. These are in upper respiratory system. After then we have gone on the lower respiratory system, in which trachea is there, bronchus is there, bronchi and bronchiole is there, alveoli is there, and lungs are there. So till bronchus we have already talked, and in bronchus, which we have talked already, the parts which we have talked about, that is trachea, and that second one is bronchus, and these were the lower respiratory system part. Right? Got it? Today we are going to start bronchi and bronchioles. Clear? So, about trachea, what I have told you, trachea is a C-shaped cartilaginous rings which never collapse because air always remain present in it. After that I have told you about the bronchus. The trachea is later on going to be divided into the 2 parts, and that is left and right bronchus. After that the third one is there, that is bronchi and bronchioles. And in bronchi and bronchioles, what we have done, let us see. These are what? Lungs. Now this is trachea, which has been divided into 2 parts, right? In this manner. These are bronchus outside. When they enter into the lung, during that time they are called what? Bronchi. Because they are first in number, that's why they are called primary bronchi. After that, they have been branched like this, right? These are called secondary bronchi. After that, they have been branched again, and that is been called. Now, after that, they are going to be divided again, and that is called tertiary bronchi. Means what? The part of the bronchus when enter into the lung, it is called primary bronchi. Right? After that, primary bronchi divided into secondary bronchi. After that, secondary bronchi divided into next branch, that is tertiary bronchi. Right? So in this manner, bronchi is present in our respiratory tract. After then, the next part is coming, that is called bronchioles. The bronchi is further divided into small branches, that is called bronchiole. That is called bronchioles. Now these bronchioles are further on distributed all over the lung. Distributed in all over the lungs. So you got my point. The first one is trachea, which is present in chest. In chest, it is going to divide into two parts, that is bronchus, left and right. After that, that bronchus is going to enter into the lung, inside the lung, that is called bronchi, and which can be categorized into primary, secondary and tertiary bronchi. After that is going to be divided into the small branches, that is called bronchioles, and distributed all over the lungs. Now, the next part is there, that is called alveoli. Small, round, sac-like structures are present on bronchioles. They are called alveoli. What is the importance of alveoli actually? These are very important for the diffusion of gases. Diffusion of gases. Diffusion of gases like oxygen and carbon dioxide. Takes place in alveoli only. Why it always takes place in alveoli only? Because of one reason. Blood capillaries are present here. Blood capillaries are present in alveoli. Why it happens? Because blood capillaries are present in alveoli, in which blood is flowing. Blood is flowing. Where diffusion of gases takes place. Right? So, alveoli is what? Let us check once. Small, round, sac-like structures are present on bronchioles. They are called alveoli. Diffusion of gases always takes place in alveoli. For example, which gases are diffused into our lung? Oxygen is diffused into our blood and carbon dioxide is diffused out of our blood, right? And from the same respiratory tract, in the same manner, they are going to be intake and they are going to be excreted out. And all these things takes place in alveoli only. And in alveoli, the diffusion of gases always takes place because their blood capillaries are present. In alveoli, actually, blood capillaries are present. That's why in alveoli, diffusion of gases takes place, in which blood is flowing, where diffusion of gases takes place. See how the things are there. Suppose this is a lung, right? Inside this lung, it is primary. Later on, divided. It is secondary bronch, right? Later on, tertiary bronch, right? Now, on it, actually small, very small bronchioles are present like this. They are forming the structure. Clear? And they are distributed all over the lungs. Clear? These are the small branches. These are large branches. These are small branches. Now, all over the lung, they are distributed, and on them, in this manner, like this, small, round sac-like structures are present. Clear? These structures are called alveoli. Now, in these alveoli, actually blood capillaries are there, like this. Clear? In which blood is flowing. These are blood capillaries. Clear? This is what? Blood. So the blood is flowing in the blood capillaries. Clear? So in this manner, the respiratory system is working in our body, and these are the diagrams also, and you should be able to mention the labeled diagram in your system. Otherwise, there is no need to give the system, there is no need to take out the system, or it will not be beneficial also, and you will not be able to get the full marks in your exam also. And you should be able to write at least few lines about your parts also, like bronchi, like bronchioles, like alveoli, like etc, etc, etc. All these things you should be able. Clear? Next. Now, we are moving for the next thing, and that is questions from this homework, from this part. So, the question number 1. Write explain bronchi. How many parts of bronchi are present? Question number 2. Explain bronchioles. Question number 3. What is alveoli? Question number 4. What is the function of alveoli? Why diffusion of gases takes place always in alveoli? Question number 6. What is the difference between bronchus and bronchi? These are the questions which I have given for today. Try to find out the answer of these. The question number 1 is there. Explain bronchi, 1 or 2 line. Whatever you will be able to write those lines. The question number 2 is also added along with it, and that is how many parts of bronchi are present. I have told you there are 3 parts: primary bronchi, secondary bronchi and tertiary bronchi. The second question is there. Explain bronchioles. What you mean by bronchioles? That thing you have to write down, and you have to write down this in 1 or 2 lines only. The next thing is there. Question number 3. That is, what is alveoli? Means I have already explained you. I have already told you the small round sac-like structures are called alveoli. The definition you have to tell in this. What is the function of the alveoli? The alveoli are helpful, or they are the place where diffusion of gases takes place. Question number 5. Why diffusion of gases takes place always in alveoli? Because in alveoli blood capillaries are present, and in those capillaries blood is flowing. That's why diffusion of gases always takes place in alveoli. Question number 6 is there. What is the difference between bronchus and bronchi? So the bronchus is the extended part of the trachea, which later on get divided into the bronchi when it enter into the chest. So these are the differences between bronchus and bronchi. So that's enough for today. Please try to solve all these questions. Try to do this at your home. And thank you class. Thank you very much.